Okay, come on, buddy. Get in here. Come on, animal. You looking at the horsey? Come and get it. Come on, buddy. There you go. Ba 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 ba. Come on, animal.
Come on, Henry, let's go. No, 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 no. Come to Mom and Dad, not the horsey.
We're waiting for you. Come on. Oh, did you hit your little cabeza? Brownie's in here. Come on. I think he's getting tired because he's not really crawling.
I made him do the hallway twice. Get a good cough in there.
Take a break if you have to. Okay. All right, now come on, last stretch. You're almost here. Come on.
Come on, Brendan. Come here.
There you go, buddy. Come on. You going to get your horse? It's tough. You just did the hallway twice. I know it's a lot of work. It's easier to crawl than pull yourself on your belly.
Alright, he's
He's given up.